It's Pam again, and welcome back to Pam Vlog Vibes. So, I've been up for a while, but I'm just not picking up the camera. I've been busy doing some yard work early this morning. I've been up since 7 o'clock getting it all done, and so I still have a whole lot to go. You know, this is the time of the year when we're trying to get the grass cut, the bushes trimmed, weed, the flower bed. So I've been doing some of those things. I'm still not done, but I'm going to finish it up probably tomorrow, the next day, and I'll let you guys see what I've been up to. But right now I'm going to go in the kitchen. Let's do a little chit chat. Let's get some dinner going, because I am hungry. When I tell you I'm ready for these tacos, I am ready for these tacos. So let's go in this kitchen and let's get started. Let's go. So I have the ground beef going. I got it cooking because I am so excited to get these tacos. So I'm in the kitchen, and while I'm waiting for the taco shells to heat up and brown, I picked up this Southwest chicken seasoning from Walmart. Comment below if you've used this Southwest chicken seasoning mix. I'm going to try it. I'm going to tell you how it comes out. So back to the tacos, but this is what it looks like. And I'm so excited to try something different. So yeah. So while we're getting those tacos together and getting them all ready to be served up, let me show you guys how far I've come with the yard work. So let's go, let's check it out. So I know the lighting is bad, I'm in the garage, but let me show you how far I've gotten. So this is all that I've cut so far today. That came off of one bush. So yes, it's a work in progress, and we just trying to get ready for the summer. So if you remember in some of my previous videos, this is Piata. This is what I call my plant, and she has these brown spots on the tip, and I thought it was because she wasn't getting enough water, but that is not the case. But have you seen her growth? This is her growth. She is growing. Someone said that I can cut it and possibly divide it into several smaller plants. I just need to put them in some water. So if you guys know anything about that, comment below and give me a heads up. But yeah, this is her. This is her. Yeah, she is long. She is long. So this is my tacos. This is how they came out. This is what they're looking like. I did add some lettuce and tomato to them. I did put some lettuce and tomato on the side for extra fixings because I like my tacos to be fully loaded. And I did add some guacamole sauce to it. Let me show you. So this is the guacamole salsa that I did add, and as you can see, it is good because it is practically empty. So yes, and I will be adding some sour cream. Maybe, maybe not. I'm still debating because you know I am on my weight loss journey, and so all of those sauces do add up. So yeah, guys, this is what it's looking like. I am back, and when I tell you I ate good, I ate good. Those tacos hit the spot. I was up there in the living room and I did take a look at the movie Respect. I think that's a movie about Aretha Franklin. I haven't finished it, but so far it's pretty good. I'm gonna check it out and comment below if you saw it and if you what you thought about it. So, but I was thinking about how I have did some wear and tear on my skillet. This is one of my favorite skillets, and as you can see, I have used it very well. And so I was thinking it was time for a new one. So comment below if you guys know where I can get some quality, affordable pots, pans, things for cooking. Just let me know. Comment below. But yeah, so I'm going to end it here till the next video. Bye. But before you go, make sure you subscribe, thumbs up, and to the next video. Bye.